A language spoken in 6 continents, from Haiti to Switzerland to Vanuatu, French is ubiquitous. Due to France's colonial empire, remnants of its language are still present in almost all of its former colonies. It seems inconceivable that such vastly different areas on the globe could share anything remotely in common. Countries that differ in every aspect of life, religiously, racially, economically, and ethically, are united by the romantic language that brings them together. If the Caribbean and Pacific Islands were not distinct enough, what about adding Indochina, parts of the Middle East, Western Africa, and Quebec onto the list too? French is not only the language of the 66.9 million people who live in France, but is also the mother tongue of tens of millions of people worldwide. The true beauty of the French language does not reside in its romantic qualities. Instead, it lays in its matchless multiculturalism. Very few languages have such a heterogeneous range of speakers as French does. Nowadays, French is spoken by a variety of cultures from all around Earth, which makes it spellbinding. The French language has dispersed from its home in France to all around the world and immersed itself in a copious amount of cultures. On a vacation in Provence, in the south of France, I reminisce of the times when I made the daily rounds to the boulangerie to order the baguettes and pain au chocolat for my family. Even though mon français was neophytic at the time, the boulangère was able to comprehend my order and charmingly served me my wishes. 3,000 miles to the west of France, the same amiable French ambiance was given off when I traveled to Mont-Tremblant in Quebec. It was truly fascinating to hear the same language I once heard in Europe on a different continent. Not only was it the same language, but also the same elegance and suave. On nearly every continent, French is spoken, making it a global language that welds drastically different cultures together into la francophonie.